Na kenda mweri wa gatatu mwaka wa 2026 o haria hothe ungikorwo gitwamukira tugakunyita ugeni mitambo-ini ya Inoro TV. Maya ni mohoro ma Inoro miaraho na nie njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia, na tukiambiriria mohoro maitu ni ati President William Ruto ari cukuru-ini wa arutani wa Narok kuria mĩhang'o ya kuruguria waaki wa reri ya SGR kuuma Naivasha nginya Malaba iratabanirio. Ruto augite mubango uyu wa ukuria ni ugucenjia riera ria wira gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Afrika ya irathiro, kuona reri ino itanyitwo gukinya nginyagia bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda. Ruto augite mawira maria mekumana na waaki wa reri ino ni mekuguna utonga wa bũrũri.
By extending this railway to Kisumu and ultimately to Malaba, we are consolidating Kenya's role as the logistics backbone of East and Central Africa. That is why in Kisumu on Saturday, we will break ground on the 107 SGR Phase 2C section, linking the port city of Kisumu to the border town of Malaba through Busia in Busia County. When complete, this will establish a continuous artery of nearly 1,000 kilometers from Mombasa to Malaba, a corridor that will not only move goods, move people, but also secure Kenya's place at the center of Africa's continental trade.
Mundu umwe ni akuite na angi makagurara thutha wa ngorofa imwe cia nyumba